Welcome back again, my YouTube people. Today I'm just gonna make a short video. I'm gonna make something real simple just to help you computer gurus. If you're not familiar with this, today I want to show you how to do a little personalization for your desktop icons. In case you want to know, if you don't know how to change like the different settings on your desktop icons. So I'm just going to do a quick video on that today. So what you want to do, I don't know which version of Windows you got, but usually it's the same for all versions of Windows. I'm using Windows 10 Pro. So the easy way to do it is real simple. So all you got to do right here where my mouse is, you can just go in any area in the desktop and right click here, and this menu comes up. And then if you want to view, you see over here you can change the size of your icons. So right now I got mine on medium. So if I want to make them larger, I just click right here and you can see my desktop icons just blew up real big. Now me personally, I don't like this look, but some people might. But just for FYI, if you want to make it big, some people might, they can see it better. You can do it that way. Or also you can right click, go back to view. If you want to make them smaller, just click small there, and that makes them extremely small. You see there where they're real little, and some people like them small because they don't take up as much space on the desktop. It doesn't look all cluttery. Also, so I like mine medium, so I'm gonna change it back to medium. Also, you can also go here and view and see down here where it says show desktop icons. If you want your desktop icons to disappear, if you don't want them to show on the desktop all, you just click here, left click here, and voila, look at that, they all gone. There's no icons showing on the desktop. So you still have them, but they disappeared, is that you can't see them. But now if you want to bring them back, if you do like icons, just go back to view and click show desktop icons, and there they go, they come right back. Okay folks, that's all for now. I just wanted to make a little short video about that. If you got any questions, comments, feel free to put them in the description, the comment box below. And if I'll be making more videos like this, so stay tuned to my channel, and I will be making more YouTube videos like this. Okay folks, that is all for now. Take care, have a great day.
Zombie apocalypse.